In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can buy hosting from Hostinger with amazing deal coupon and discount. So what you have to do, you have to click on the link in the description, which is like once you click on that link, you will be entitled to amazing discounts. Buying hosting from Hostinger is very easy, and you know that Hostinger has got top-notch ratings on various different rating platforms, and they have an option of data centers all around the world, and you also get a all-in-one website solution. They heavily emphasize on maximizing website speed, and they have 24/7 support, and they have advanced security features and protection from DDoS attacks plus malware scanner, and they also offer free migration service from other companies, and more than 1.5 million users are currently using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. So what you have to do, you have to go to hosting and select your plan according to your preference. You can select web hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, or hosting for professionals. Either of them is good. So let's say we are going with the web hosting. Select this one, and once you select that, you will be entitled to another page. You can see there are three plans. The good thing about Hostinger is that all of their plans have 30 days money back guarantee, and this one is the famous and common plan, and this is an exclusive deal through the link in the description. But you can see all of the three plans and do a quick comparison of these three plans. All of the plans are good. There is a few differences, like in premium and web hosting you are getting a free domain. Here you aren't getting a free domain, and here you can host up to 100 websites and 200 GB SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth. Here you have a one website option. Here you have Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner. So these are the few things you can see over here. You also have a website builder. In this plan, you just get a single email account. Here you have unlimited email IDs. You can see the features over here. The best of all is that all of these three plans have 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support, 99.9% uptime guarantee. So you can choose any plan according to your preference. Let's say we are going with this plan. Select the add to cart over here. Once you select the add to cart, you will be redirected to another page. Here you can see a summary of what you are going to buy. Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner, 100 GB SSD storage, weekly backups, and then you can choose your billing period: 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. 48 months save you the most with 3 months free. Plus you are also getting a free domain. Plus I'm going to give you a coupon code. So just come over here and write your coupon code to get this amazing discount. You can find the description of this video. That you price code a further redirection, and from 2.99 it became to 2.69. And then in case if you do not have an account with Hostinger, write your email ID over here or synchronize with Facebook or Google by clicking over here, and it will automatically synchronize with your Google or Facebook account. And then you can choose your payment method. They offer credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So you have an ample of option to pay from, and select one according to preference. And don't forget to use this coupon code while buying hosting from Hostinger, and submit your billing details and press the submit button. I hope you like it. Good luck with Hostinger.